Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not even gonna talk about how long has it been, so yeah, please don't attack me. I am embarrassed of how long it's been, but as you can see from the title, we're doing like the most original YouTube video idea ever in the history of YouTube, and that is this little brown girl, your favorite little brown girl, forgetting that Liza Koshy exists. No, yeah, I'm not even little. Like, she's tiny, but I'm not little. So that's so off topic. But yeah, your brown girl is turning into an eagle, which is basic, so brown to basic. I'm not sure like whether eagles are considered basic. To me, I don't know much. But so let's pull up the definition of what an eagle is. According to your favorite definition website, dictionary, Urban Dictionary, eagle. An eagle is a species of emo usually found on TikTok but commonly spends time on Tumblr. Can be found wearing pink eyeshadow with a large wing, little hearts under the eyes, and a blush nose. Normally wearing some type of t-shirt from Urban Outfitters over long sleeve striped shirt, commonly found doing the me dance but has probably never seen it before. Okay, I don't know what a me dance is. Anyways, I'm looking ratchet and
This is a disclaimer. I'm not making fun of an eagle. I feel like everyone has everyone can express themselves differently however they want to, and I just want to say that this is my version of being an eagle according to how I feel like. No, it's not. It's about an eagle. This is not my definition of eagle. Don't take this video too seriously. This is the best I could do to dress up like an eagle according to the sources I have at home. I'm not going out of my way or ordered stuff online. It's just what I have
at home. So yeah, I'm so sorry for not being consistent, but this has been a long enough intro. And yeah, let's start with this journey. This is not a tutorial. This is just my journey for your purposes of entertainment. So yeah, let's get started. Zoomed y'all a bit in so now y'all can really see my flaws, but we'll just start with the brows, like easy quick brows. No, someone said my brows look ugly, but thanks, I do whatever I feel like as long as I don't go James Charles from when he started his channel, insert picture right here. I don't have those brows and I'm fine, you know. Yeah. How's everyone doing? It's oh my gosh, today is Halloween and I have literally no plans, and I'm just casually turning myself into an eagle because I am lonely. I don't have friends. Really, no one invited me to a party because, like, honestly though, I don't find it offensive because there's not much parties here, like, and it's not like someone's keeping a party and not inviting me, you know. That's embarrassing. Okay, these are the brows, how they're looking. I'm just gonna brush them so that like there's no harshness in them. So I'm that psycho girl that starts with the eyes. I do my eyes first, so I'm gonna be using the Jackie Aina palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills, the collab, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe 3502 palette because I don't have James Charles's palette or any other color palette. So I'm just putting the LA Girl. I'm going to stay in frame otherwise I'm going out of LA Girl concealer all over my eyes to prime. I've been watching too much Germbot and I'm just like randomly saying pee pee poo poo, and I just love me for that. If you don't know who Germbot is, like, subscribe to him. I'm just using like a damp sponge to blend all the concealer in so that there's no like extra concealer needed. and what is left, I'm just pressing it underneath my eyes. Okay, I think that's decent. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all the reference pictures that I'm going to be following. I'm going to be doing this, something like this. And yeah, like blush, gloss probably. Here, so I'm going to start with the beautiful Jackie Aina Anastasia palette. She's, look at that, so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be using the shades Supreme, Pinker, and Trust Issues. These two pinky shades and this whitish shade. I love this palette a lot, and like I've not used it much, but like it's really pretty. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and use the lightest pink shade. I'm gonna throw it all over my crease, like just like pat it in the pan, and there's not much fallout too, which is great. I don't mind fallout. I've been watching the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson's collab. Wow, that I'm gonna go broke if I end up buying the whole collection, but the palette is so good, it's so beautiful, it's so well thought out, and I've been saving money to buy the palette like since 2 years, since he announced that he was gonna create a palette, and I'm just like so stoked, you guys. I'm so stoked. If you know me, you know I stand Shane really hard, and even Jeffree, but I have like one lipstick of Jeffree Star, which is the androgyny. Yeah, I like the formula, but I don't like the shade. Like I feel like it looks a bit gray on me. This pink is done, but I feel like it's not pink enough. So I'm gonna whip out the big guns, which is Morphe, and I'm gonna go in the pink. That's a pink, honey. That's a pink. It's a pinky girl. It's a pinker. Oh, pinker. There's an actual shade pinker in the Jackie Aina palette. That's when you know I really watch Jackie Aina. I'm gonna dust off. I'm gonna take like a cream shade. I'm just gonna use it to blend and soften the edges because I don't like my eyeshadow going really high. You know? So that's like to my desired intensity. And I'm just gonna take a little thinner brush and I'm just gonna pick a maroony pink. I'm gonna use pinker and I'm mixing like a maroon color just a bit. I'm just using it on the outer corners, but then I'm taking like the first brush. I'm just gonna blend that in. Like you see how patchy that looks, and I swear that's not my tech, like my blending skills. It's like I have lots of extra skin here.
It just doesn't let me blend anything. You see how I'm rubbing? I'm gonna age so fast on this eye because of that extra skin. I'm scared.
Anyways, let's not talk about my insecurities today. No one came here back on my channel to listen to me rant about my insecurities, which is my left eye. I'm not complaining because there are bigger issues in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna use Trust Issues on like the whitest shade, and then I'll add some pink. So I'm gonna use my middle finger. I'm gonna dip into Trust Issues. Okay, this is gonna be the true test of the palette. Wow, did you see that? Yeah. So it's gonna take a pinker and that maroony shade. Just gonna blend out the edges a bit, and then I'm going to take like a pinky shade. I'm just gonna pop that on top of it. This a bit. Yeah, that's cute. I feel like this is a decent eye. Okay, so now on the crucial part, that is the eyeliner. They're really dramatic wings that go up. I'm gonna do one first makeup prayer to the makeup gods so that they make my eyeliner look symmetrical. Okay, I'm gonna do this wing properly. I'm gonna be right back. So I'm gonna do my wing and I'm gonna be right back because it's taking me forever to do it on camera and the camera is going out of focus. I'm gonna be right back. I did my eyeliner and it's not symmetrical at all. So don't judge me because being an eagle is hard and it's not my lifestyle. We've been new. So I'm just gonna do my face. Yeah, so my hair sucks right now, but I did my base. I just put some concealer and powder foundation on because I just don't want to do like foundation because I'm not really wearing this outside because why would I wear it outside? So I'm just going to be taking a brush and I'm gonna put it on put the pink, like the neon pink, on like my lower lash line. I look really scary. And then I'm gonna take like a highlighter shade. And I'm going to put it in my inner tear duct. I don't like much of this. I'm just gonna take a little bit and then put it in my brow bone. Yeah. That's good enough. Okay, so now comes the iconic part, which is the blush, and I'm gonna use eyeshadows as blushes. I'm gonna use like this orange and this coral, this orange, this coral as blush because, and I'm gonna put it on the tip of my nose because that's like their signature thing. Not gonna lie, I was looking forward to this part. My face looks like dead.
I'm a clown.
Like the most pigmented areas, like the tip of the nose, like that, like a bunny, like a cutesy bunny collaboration with e-girls. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna just put highlighter on. Just a bit of highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline highlighter. All eagles have cutesy noses, but I don't. So you're just gonna have to live with that. Sometimes I just turn randomly into Jenna Bubbles, like in my tone. I love that for me. We stand Jenna Marbles on this channel. Oh yeah! Now the eagle is gonna jump out. I'll just use like liquid liner. It's not a freaking heart. I'm gonna do the hearts off camera because this is so tough. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm gonna do the hearts like right below my eye. I'm gonna be right back. Guys, I'm back. I did the hearts. I'm sorry I did like the eyeliner and the hearts off camera. Like I really couldn't focus and I'm just like I suck. I suck at makeup because I usually stand when I'm doing makeup and I'm sitting right now, so it's really hard to do makeup like when I'm not used to doing it like sitting. So I feel like it's fine. It's not the best. It's not the absolute worst. So right now I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go extra. There's no better by liner in chestnut. So now I'm gonna use the Sephora lipstick in the shade 80. Let this dry. I feel like it's not that bad, you guys. It's not that bad. It's not bad at all, honestly. I'm gonna give it to myself. I kind of snapped. So the lips are dry, and I'm gonna put this clear gloss, or any clear gloss will do. Oh my gosh. God, she got a snap. And now we're gonna do the hair. Okay. So usually they use like colorful hair ties and like ponytails and stuff. I almost said the S word. So I'm just going to do a middle part, and I'm just going to put water on my hair. I forgot to apply setting spray. I'll apply it at the end. So I'm gonna take a little chunk of hair. Okay. I'm gonna tie a ponytail. Okay. I'm gonna repeat on this side, and I'm gonna be right back. I look like a freaking clown. Hey guys, so I just did the hair. This is the best I could do. I'm so sorry, but I just put these two like hair clips. These are butterflies that I had like from my childhood. I just put my hair in these two ponytails, like half ponytails. My hair is really thick, so I can't really do much. But yeah, the only thing left is an outfit, and I have like, this is all I could do like when it comes to hair makeup and the hair makeup. And let's do the final reveal with the outfit. I'm just gonna dress up and be right back. Hey guys, so I'm so sorry I didn't deliver with the outfit. So I have like a checkered belt, some jewelry. I don't have silver jewelry, I don't wear silver jewelry, and my hair is like so ratchet right now. And I'm wearing like high-waisted jeans, some checkered socks, and yeah. So I hope you like this YouTube video. I know this whole video was a downward spiral. I know I don't look like any e-girl ever you've ever seen, but I look like an e-clown. So I'm so sorry. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends and have a good laugh at how bad my dressing sense is. Yeah, I hope I at least cracked a smile with this banter of a video. Haha. So yeah, it's a finished makeup look of an e-girl. Peace out, guys.